Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the essentials are met: an updated OS and a valid PowerPoint install. Once done, locate the file or confirm your Office 365 sign-in. If PowerPoint isn't installed, open your browser and sign into Office. To access the web app, otherwise use the desktop app. Now move to your Start menu or Applications folder. This gets you into the program quickly, so you can open a file or create a new presentation without delay. You launch PowerPoint and choose how to open your file. Click File, then Open, select Recent, or Browse to navigate to Desktop or Documents. If your file is on OneDrive, make sure you're signed in so it appears under Open OneDrive. Double-clicking a PPTX in File Explorer or Finder opens it directly. If the file is on an external drive, wait for the drive to mount. Make sure autosave is on for OneDrive files so you don't lose changes. Once your presentation opens, scan a few slides to confirm content loaded and then use FileSave as to create a local copy if needed. If the file opens in Protected View, click Enable Editing after confirming the source. This resolves many permission blocks. If PowerPoint crashes or won't launch, close background Office apps, run a repair from Settings, or sign into Office. And open the file in PowerPoint Online as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.